Hello there, this is Laide from Cakesicle, and in this video today I am going to show you an easy way to make a cakesicle. The cakesicle we're making today is Christmas themed because it's almost Christmas and I am pretty excited. So firstly, you want to get your cake and crumble it up in the bowl. I am using chocolate cake today to make this, but note that you can absolutely use any flavor of your choice. Pretty much the same technique applies, except that you skip the chocolate ganache. So firstly, I'm going to add just a little bit of buttercream to my crumbled cake, and then a little bit of chocolate ganache, pretty much like half and half, or whichever one you want more in the equation. It's totally fine and up to you. If you're using another flavor where chocolate ganache will not work, you can absolutely use just buttercream and it's going to be fine and perfect as well. So you want to combine your crumbled cake, the ganache and the buttercream together until it is nicely combined, and when you press it down, it holds firm. My white and dark chocolate are chopped and it goes into the microwave and comes out melted. Basically, I am going to paint the mold or dust the mold with luster spray for a little bit of shiny, silky shiny effect. Okay, so I'm using the white pearl dust for this one. You want to make sure you reach all the corners of the mold with your brush, making sure you dust the pearl perfectly in the cavity, so when your cakesicle comes out, it looks nice and perfect. So I'm going to use the blush dust equally for one of the cavities because I want that color to be my end result. So I'm just basically going to go through it and make sure I reach the sides and it's nice and well painted. Okay, so when you're done painting, you want to turn your mold upside down like this to make sure you get rid of the excess dust that may have formed in your mold. Insert the cakesicle sticks in the little slits at the bottom of the mold and make sure you align them in a very straight form. You want to pick up your chocolate, your melted chocolate, and just scoop a little in each of the cavities. I'll be using the dark one for the first and then white chocolate for the subsequent ones. So you want to make sure you drop some chocolate in there and just move it around, coating the entire mold with the chocolate. If you have troubles getting this done while the stick is inserted, you can pretty much do it before inserting the stick. Okay, so you want to make sure you coat the entire mold with your chocolate. Okay, when that is done, you want to pick up your mold and tap it down on the table a few times just to ensure the chocolate settles down nicely. And I'm just finally going to move my stick around to make sure they are in the final position. And I am going to refrigerate this until it solidifies. My chocolate is solid now and I am just going to stuff the mold with my crumbled cake. Okay, so you want to make sure you spread that out nicely. After which I'm going to clean the edges of each of the cakesicles just to get rid of the stains that the chocolate cake have created. Of course, if you're using a vanilla cake, you do not have to worry about this. Okay, so I'm going to pretty much add another coat of chocolate right on top of my cake and spread that around until it covers the entire cake and you can't see the cake anymore. Okay, so when that is done, you pretty much want to give it a little tap and take it back to the fridge to firm up until the chocolate firms up. It's nice and firm now, and I'm pretty much just going to pop them out of the mold and leave them out on my tray for decoration. They look really nice and clean. On the brown one, I'm using red royal icing to just make a rough sketch of a Christmas cake and decorate with sprinkles to act as the ornament. That is looking really nice and pretty. And on this one, I'm pretty much going to drizzle with melted white chocolate and finish it off with apricot white fondant snowflakes. Okay, a little bit of gold sprinkle here and there, and it's done. It looks amazing. On this one, I'm going to do a white Christmas tree and use colorful sprinkles to decorate them. I'm using white chocolate as well. Okay, so just a little bit of colorful sprinkles and that's it. Looks nice. Cakesicles are really lovely and you can pretty much make them into whatever theme you desire. The possibilities are endless. If you're making this, remember to share the results with us. We'll be glad to see. And remember, if you have any question, you can ask in the comments section. I'll be glad to answer. If you are new to this channel, kindly show us some love by hitting the red subscribe button down below. We've got loads of amazing tutorials coming your way very soon. Thank you so much for watching.